Nats pitchers lowest ERA in baseball in day games at 2.95. They've given up 128 earned runs in 393 innings.
Yasiel Puig will bunt. Here comes Rendon, bare hand, and he got him with a great stretch by Tyler Moore.
Late.
Yes, sir. High in the air. Not a cloud in the sky for Denard Span to look at. And a 1-2-3, nicely done by Jordan Zimmermann. Foul tip and a strikeout. Zimmerman's first. And Zimmermann cuts it back for a strike. Couple of great pitches to the young rookie power hitter right there.
Yeah, and it doesn't hurt that both pitchers are throwing 95 to 97 today. I mean, day, night, dusk.
Nasty slider.
90.
Wow. Again, wow. Fourth strikeout, another 1-2-3 innings. Zimmermann. That's got to be a strike. Couple of great pitches by Jordan Zimmermann. Strikeout number 5.
Number 23.
Bolts the fastball right in there. There's another fastball. Right on the inside edge. And again, the Dodgers haven't made the adjustment yet. They keep arguing with Paul Schreiber. 1-2's the count. Did the hitter go? He did. Alfonso Marquez from first base will punch out. Fedorovich, 8 Ks for Jordan Zimmermann. Line drive, double play. Tyler Moore to the bag, and Darwin Barney was in no man's land. Jordan Zimmermann, 2 runs on 4 hits today, and a big fly by Justin Turner.